Good morning, everybody. This is Chrissy Keys, Keller Williams Shore Properties. I am reaching out to you. I'm live in my very own unit, and I want to discuss the importance of adding a little bit of value in your main rooms. As we speak, I'm in my loft, so I'm going to carefully, this is not a professional video, but it's okay. I'm not here for that. Let me try to figure out how to do this. Maybe not. Okay, this is not working. But the importance of changing light fixtures, adding that really adds value. I mean, of course, I'm in the middle of my own renovation. I purchased this. I'm not planning to sell it, not anytime soon, that is. But if you can see, light opens up your eyes and can really help any buyer making a choice and getting clarity as far as what it would be like to purchase a home, and that could be inviting and welcoming. And another note, I want to touch base on the importance of main rooms. The biggest rooms in that sells homes and that should be inviting to you is spending time in your kitchen. I must say it was a little dirty in here. I'm not going to go into great details how dirty it was, but a little bit of elbow grease doesn't hurt. Polish it up. Put some lights in your light fixtures. Those are being changed, so no judgment here. The refrigerator, make sure you clean all those things up. In the bathrooms, I'm walking over to my bathroom. Yes, I'm getting intimate with you. If you see a toilet in the middle, it's being installed, so again, no judgment here. Again, cleaning up things, adding lights. I'm replacing bulbs. As you can see, I don't just speak about it. I live it, It's not do as I say, say as I do, or if that's the real way you go about saying it. But I'm actually not just preaching, I'm actually doing it. So over here I have some carpet installed. That's a nice way to I had a lot of cat dander in this place, so just replace. It's a cost, yes, but at the same time it's something that's invaluable to your investment. This is Chrissy Keys, Keller Williams Shore Properties. I hope you have learned something from today. And if you see a little bit of a mark here, I bumped my head in the middle of renovations. So I hope you can forgive me. And I hope you learned a little something today. Take care.